Hello children, welcome back to math class. We were discussing practical geometry in the previous class and all of you learned how to construct the quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals. In that, now we are going to do exercise 4.2 third one. We are going to construct a rhombus, B-E-N-D. Exercise 4.2. Third one, rhombus. So you are going to construct a rhombus, B-E-N-D. And BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Yes. So first you have to draw the rough sketch, draw the rough figure of rhombus. So you know that in rhombus all the sides are equal and diagonals intersect perpendicular to each other, which bisects each other at 90 degree. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular is nothing but which always bisect each other at 90 degree, right? See, these are your diagonals. B, E, N, D. So here children, in the sum they have not given the sides, they have given only the measurement of two diagonals. That is BD is equal to 5.6 centimeter and your DE is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, let us see how to construct the rhombus. First step, draw BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter. BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter line segment. Over. Next, you have to draw perpendicular, children. So you have the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. You know how to draw perpendicular to the given line. Namge BN line ge nevo one perpendicular line draw madbeko. So I will teach you how to draw perpendicular line. Take your compasses. Place the needle at the point B. Okay. And take more than half of the line segment or take 4.5 centimeter tagondo. More than half on the 3/4 of the line tegobodu. Okay. Now place at the point B and draw an arc up and down. Okay, children. Now with the same radius, place the compasses at the point N. Cut the arcs. Okay. So take 3/4 of the line, take radius of 3/4 of the line compass ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಹಾಫ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/4 of the ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ place at the point N and cut the previous arcs. Okay children, see now join both the lines, so you will get exact like this. You will get, okay, you will get exact perpendicular line to the line BN. Okay, call it as O. What is the next step here? See, your DE is 6.5 centimeter, right? 6.5 barbeku andre. See, this is D and this is E. So DE line full nimge 6.5 barbeku. So how to get, see illi O mark ಮಾಡಿದಿವಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ O ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು 6.5 by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, 6.5 by 2, that is equal to 2 3s are 6 and next 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, that is 2 5s are 10. 3.25 centimeter. Okay children, here we have marked the point as O. Take your compasses and take radius of 3.25 centimeter. 3.25 centimeter na tagoli and place the compasses at the point O at center. Draw arcs of 3.2 centimeter radius to intersect both the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, andre illi place ಮಾಡಿ and cut the arcs children. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ 3.25 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, so compasses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರ 3.25, just cut the perpendicular line. Okay, this is your 3.525 3.25. so total ನಿಮಗೆ 6.5 centimeter ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, so what is the next step? Join the lines, join the points. So arcs na elli cut ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, this is D and E children. Okay, BE and D. So this is your rhombus. This is 6.5 centimeter. BE and D is the quadrilateral or rhombus. Required rhombus. We'll go for the next one. Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. So before going to the exercise, you should know how to construct the angles without using the protractor. Without using protractor, you are going to construct means by using compasses. Let us come to know how to construct the angle 60 degree, 90 degree, 30 and 45, 120 degree and 75, 105, like this. Okay, so they will ask you only few, they don't ask all the angle children. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. First let us construct 60 degree. Okay, first Draw a line segment. Line segment AB. Now take your compasses. Take the radius of more than half of the line. Means 3/4 of the line tagoli. Okay. Now draw a semicircle. Okay, children. Now draw a semicircle and now place your compasses at the point C. Place at the point C with the same radius. You are going to cut the circle, semicircle at this point. Okay. See, ನೀವು first semicircle draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Next compass na point C ಅಲ್ಲಿ with C as center. Cut the semicircle. See, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು cut ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. This is your 60 degree, children. Okay. ನೀವು measure ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು you will get 60 degree. Okay, children. See, take ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರದು ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ just 3/4 of the line ತಗೊಂಡು just draw a semicircle and name it as C with C as center. Just with the same radius, cut an arc. Okay, you will get 60 degree, children. Next, if continue the same figure, see A and B, you have semicircle here, right? This is C, and here you have one arc, call it as D, and from with D as center, nimge idu ಏನು 60 degree ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. You continue the same thing, children. Place the protractor at the, compasses at the point D. Draw, cut once again, children. Okay, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಮಿಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 60 degree. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 60 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 120. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 120. And I'll show you how to construct 90 degree. Draw a line AB. Take 3/4 of the line, children. Draw a semicircle. Okay. So this is point C and this is D. It is your, that is 60 degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 60 degree ಸಿಕ್ತು. Next one, draw, cut one more arc. That is E. This is 60 and this is 120. So ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ next step ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ with the same radius, place the compasses at the point E. Okay children, E ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು draw an arc. D ಇಂದ one arc ಮಾಡಿ. Next D ಇಂದ place the compasses at the point D and cut the arc. Okay children, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? D ಇಂದ ಒಂದು arc ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, E ಇಂದ arc ನ cut ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Now join this. Now you will get exactly 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, children. Now I will show you how to construct (60 is over 90, 120). Next, let us see how to construct 75. Okay, draw a line segment AB, take 3/4 of the line, draw a semicircle. So now it is 60 degree and it is 90 degree. You have to construct 90 first. Okay, ನೀವು 75 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ once again you have to do all the steps, children. First 60 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, next 120, next 90. Okay, now you have 90 degree. Now it is 60 and it is 90 degree. So between how many angles will be there? How many numbers are there between 60 and 90? 60 ಮತ್ತೆ 90 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 30 degrees ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 30 degrees ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 60 ಆಯ್ತು. 60 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 65, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 15 degree ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 75 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 60 degree ಹಿಯರ್. You need 15 degree ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 15 degree add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So in between this you have 30 degree ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಆ 30 ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 30 degree ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Half of 30 is 15 degree, right? No? So that is ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Bisector ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, at the point D, E, F ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Now place your protractor at the point D, draw an arc. Okay, children, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರ್ವ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ, ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಆರ್ಕ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್, okay, you don't feel difficult. Okay, children, now I'm going to join this. Now it is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. Okay, from here to here it is 15 degree alva? So total is 75 degree baratte. Next, how to construct 105 degree. Now draw a line segment AB. Now ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? Yes, take 3/4 of the line and draw a semicircle. Right? Call it as C. What is next step? Yes, cut the arc. Call it as D. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 60 degree ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, right? Next, draw one more arc. ಇದು 120 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now DE. Now place the compasses at the point E and draw an arc. Now place at the with D at center, cut the arc so that you will get 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? So triangle nimge gottaಯ್ತು ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Now I will call this as F. Okay, now between 120 ಮತ್ತು 90 ಅಲ್ವಾ? F is 90 degree and E is 120 degree, right? Between these, how many angles are there? 30 angles are there, right? No? So 90 ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 105 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 90 plus 15, right? No, 90 plus 15 is 105. Alva, already you have 90 degree here. 90 ಗೆ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 105 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 15 degree add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay na children? See, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಗೆ 15 add ಮಾಡಿ 75 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ in previous sum. ಅಲ್ವಾ? 60 ಗೆ 15 add ಮಾಡಿ 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಗೆ 15 add ಮಾಡಿ 105 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, children, let us see how to do that. Okay. Now, we have, this is 90, this is 120. Agle navu e point D matte F inda arcs na cut, marks na draw madidvi. Now, from the points E and F, okay, we are going to draw the arcs. With E as center, draw an arc and F as center. Illi nimge curve ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ F as center, cut the arc and join with the point A. So it is 105 degree. Okay, children. Next, 60 is over, 90, 120, 75, 105. Okay. Next, how to construct 30 and 45. Okay, let us see how to construct 30 degree. Draw a line AB, and what is next step? Yes, take 3/4 of the line, draw a semicircle, call this as C, and with the same radius, cut the circle. So you know it is, right? It is 60 degree, right? It is 60 degree. Now what you are going to do? 60 degree. So 30 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Half of 60 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So half of 60 is 30 degree. So ನಿಮಗೆ half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ? You have to bisect the angle. Bisect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Bisect is nothing but a line which divides the angle equally. Equal ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ bisecting angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So how to draw bisector now? Yes, ನೋಡಿ. So here you have, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ವಾ, ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರತ್ತೋ ಆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Arcs na draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. With C as center and call it as D, children. D anta ಮಾಡಿ. See, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ 60 degree ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈಗ 30 degree ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, C ಮತ್ತೆ D ಇದೆ. So with C as center, draw an arc, and with D as center, cut the arc. Okay, children. See, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ arcs ನ draw ಮಾಡಿ cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so bisector ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is your bisector and this is 30 degree. Okay, ನೀವು 30 degree na, if you want to construct 30 degree, first you have to construct 60 degree, children. Okay, so ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, you are going to construct 45 degree, right? You know 45 is nothing but half of 90 degree, right? Half of 90 is 45. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to construct a bisector for 90 degree, right? No. So first, what is first step? ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ already practice ಆಯ್ತು. Draw first a line segment AB. What is next? Yes, take 3/4 with the help of compasses. Take 3/4 of the line and draw a semicircle. Now call it as C. With same radius, with C as center, cut the semicircle. It is your 60. Call it as D. With the same radius, cut one more time. Call it as E. Right? Now you have to construct 90 degree. How to construct 90? It comes between these two. 60 ಮತ್ತೆ 120 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So So place at a, with keeping E as center, draw an arc, and with D as center, cut the arc. Now we are going to join that. So it is 90 degree, right? Now 90 degree. So 90 degree ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? From the point, call it as F. From here to here it is 90. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕೀಗ. ನಾವು 30ಗೆ C and D ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ because we got 60 here, right? No? So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು from F to C, CF arc ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, with C as center, with the same radius, children, with C as center, draw an arc, and with F as center, place the composites at the point F and cut the arc. Now join that, you will get, this is 45 degree. Bisecting angles alva idu. So bisector is dividing 90 degree andre into two parts. Andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? We are getting 45 degree. Each angle will be 45. Okay, children, I think all of you are understanding how to construct the angles. Yes, children, if you know all these angles, then you can easily, we can go for the exercise. Exercise 4.3. First one, quadrilateral MORE. In that MO is equal to 6 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, capital angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. So in previous construction, children, so they were given only sides. Okay, so in this exercise they have given both angles and side. Okay, they have given 2 sides and 3 angles here. By using angles, you are going to construct the quadrilaterals. Okay, first rough figure. Right, first MORE. What is MO here? Side is 6 centimeter and OR is 4.5 centimeter. Angle M is 60 degree. Angle O is 105. It is obtuse angle, children. And R is also 105 degree. Okay, you can find the angle E. Yes, this is your rough sketch, children. Now we'll go for the construction. First, draw a line segment MO that is 6 centimeter. Now you have to see angle, you have to consider the angle O. It is 105 degree. Already I have taught you how to construct 105, right? How to consider, first draw a semicircle. 60, this is 120, and this is your 90. See, after this, from here to, this is F and this is E, right? So in between these two, E as center, draw an arc, and F as center, draw one more arc. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ once again you practice at home, children. So now like this you construct 105 degree. Okay, that is obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180. That is obtuse angle 105 degree. Okay, children, just I will draw here. But ನೀವು correct agi by using compasses, you have to construct 105 degree. Okay, by construct 60, 90 ಎಲ್ಲ clean agi draw construct ಮಾಡಿ 105 degree na construct ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now this is angle O, 105 degree we have constructed. Next, this is R, right? What is length of OR? It is 4.5. Take radius 4.5 in compasses and place the compasses at the point O. Cut the line. Okay, children, this is 4.5 centimeter. And what is next? We have angle 60 here, right? Construct angle 60. Take 3/4 of the line, right? So this is here. So here you will get the angle 60. This is 60 degree. Next, what is given? OR. Again, you have to construct 105 degree. R is 105, right now, children? Angle R is 105. Yes. So at the point R, you are going to construct once again. You have to construct 105. ಇವಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is 105 degree. Okay, children, see eradu you can stretch the line segments. Both are meeting at the point E. Okay, see 105 angle draw madidira. Draw a line segment ER and you have constructed 60 degree here, right? So ME eradu lines na extend ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So both the lines are meeting at the point E. Okay, children, like this you will get MORE. MORE is the required quadrilateral. Okay, children. So practice ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ how to construct 60, 105, 105. Okay, we'll see the next one. Quadrilateral PLAN. PL is equal to 4 centimeter. LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. And angle N is equal to 85 degree. Yes, children, draw the figure. See PLAN. Right, children, so first draw line segment PL, that is 4 centimeter, and angle P is 90 degree and angle A is 110, angle 85 and LA is 6.5. Okay, children, but here if you draw line PL, okay, here we will construct angle P, right? That is 90 degree. But next, can you okay, here you will draw a lines. So you will draw AL, alva. but we don't know where you have to construct the angle, at which point you are going to construct the angle 110. 110 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವು AL is 6.5 ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು 110 ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ L ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, L ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We know that the sum of 4 angles is 360. All the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. 85 plus 90 plus 110 plus L, that is equal to 360 degree. So L is equal to 360 minus 360 minus what is sum of all the angles? 285. Yes, it is 75 children. Angle L is equal to 75 degree. First, draw a line segment, that is PL. Now, what is next step? This is 4 centimeter and construct 90 degree at the point P, right? So already I have taught you how to construct, children. So 60, 120, and this is your 90, right? 90 degree, we have constructed 90 degree here, right? Now, at the point L, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? This is 75. How to construct 75? Yes, draw a semicircle. This is 60, 120, and 90. You construct neatly, children. Yes. Okay. This is 90, and here take this arc, children. This is 60 and this is 90. So between this, see two ends of the arcs tagondo. Okay, illi cut draw madi arcs. So this is your 75 degree, right? This is 75 degree. Yes, 120, and this is your 90. Just dotted lines ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next 70 degree ಗೆ line segment draw ಮಾಡಿ. This is 75 degree and A. Now we know the length of AL is this 6.5 centimeter. So take 6.5 radius in compasses and cut the line AL. Okay, children. So this is 6.5 centimeter. Now you have to construct 110 degree at the point A. Okay, so construct 110 degree. This is 110, and you extend the line, children. So both will meet at the point N. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ already 90 construct ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 construct ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆ two lines ನ extend ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ join ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ N ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ. Okay, this is 85 degree. Okay, this is our required PLAN quadrilateral. Next, children. Third one. Construct a parallelogram HEAR. HE is equal to 5 centimeter. EA is equal to 6 centimeter. Angle R is equal to 85 centimeter. Yes. So you know that parallelogram is nothing but opposite sides are equal, right? This is your parallelogram. HEAR. The length of HE is 5 centimeter. So AR is also 5 centimeter and EA is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Angle R is 85 degree. You know that opposite angles are equal, right? Then first draw a line segment HE. That is 5 centimeter. Next, construct angle 85 at the point E, children. Construct 85 degree. Next, they have given AE is equal to 6 centimeter, right? No. So we have constructed 85 degree, angle E is equal to 85 degree, and take 6 centimeter radius in your compasses. With O and E as center, cut the line. Okay, this is A, and with see AR is 5 centimeter, right? With A as center, draw an arc. This is 5 centimeter and HR is 6 centimeter with H as center. Now A in the one arc na draw madidvi, that is with 5 centimeter. Now you are going to cut the arc from H. Andre RH is 6 centimeter. Alva? So illinda neevu arc na cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. This is 6 centimeter. Now join these two and these two. This is arc. This is your required parallelogram HEAR. Next, fourth one, 4.3, fourth one, rectangle OKAY. OK is equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw a rectangle OKAY. So OK is 7 centimeter, KA is 7 centimeter. You know that opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Now children, first draw a line segment OK with 7 centimeter. Okay, now so to construct rectangle, children, you have to construct the angles here. Okay, direct agi ನೀವು 5 centimeter ತಗೊಂಡು 7 centimeter ತಗೊಂಡು cut ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. So here we have drawn a line segment 7 centimeter. and you are going to construct the angle 90 degree at the point O. Okay, construct 90 degree. So you know how to construct a semicircle, right? So like this is your 90 degree, and with 5 centimeter, take 5 centimeter radius, children, with O as center. Cut the R 5 centimeter ತಗೊಂಡು line ಅನ್ನ cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. This is your Y. Okay. And now at the point O, sorry, K, take 5 centimeter, draw an arc, and with Y as center. A ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 7 centimeter ಇದೆ. Place at the point Y, cut the arc. This is 5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. Okay, children. So draw neatly. So you will get a rectangle like this. This is your required rectangle OKAY. We'll go for the next exercise, that is 4.4. First one, quadrilateral DEAR. DE is equal to 4 centimeter. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is equal to 60 centimeter. And angle A is equal to 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, children. Now, here they have given two angles. So I am going to draw EA first. So ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು angles ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಾವು ಅದೇ line ಅನ್ನ first draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Base ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 60 degree. And A is 90. DEAR. So AR is 4.5 centimeter and DE is 4 centimeter. This is 60 and this is 90, children. Okay, first draw a line segment EA, that is 5 centimeter, and now construct 60 degree at the point E. Okay, and the length of DE is 4 centimeter. Take radius of 4 centimeter with E as center. Place the compasses at the point E. Cut the line segment. Okay, call it as D. And here you are going to construct 90 degree. This is 60, 120, and this is 90. 90 degree. And AR is given, it is 4.5, right? It is 4 centimeter and it is 4.5 centimeter. So it will be more than this. So call it as R. So we have joined both the points, children, point D and So where the arcs are meeting, intersected each other, you mark the points, children. So now I'm going to join the 2 points. So this is your required quadrilateral DEAR. So first ಏನು ಯಾವ angles ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is easy to ನೀವು easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Angles ನೋಡಿ construct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next one. Quadrilateral TRUE. So TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. UE is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle R is equal to 75 degree. Angle U is equal to 120 degree. Yes, children. So the line segment, because we have R and U angles. Right now U ಮತ್ತೆ R angles ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I have taken it as base. Okay. Angle R is equal to 75. Angle U is equal to 120. They have given RU, that is 3 centimeter. RU TRUE. Right. Now TR is given. This is 3.5 centimeter. And UE is given, it is 4 centimeter. Okay, let us construct the quadrilateral. RU draw madana first line segment, that is 3 centimeter. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. Right, now construct 75, children. Construct 75. So 60, 120, 90, right? So between these you will get, right? This is 75 degree. Construct 75, and here construct 120. 60, 120, right? So illi barutte. This draw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. This is 120 degree. This is 75 and this is 120. Now they have given, you know, the length of EU, right? What is it? 4 centimeter. We take 4 centimeter radius with U as center. U play U hatra compass itkondo ನೀವು 4 centimeter radius ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರ ಅದರಿಂದ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, call it as E. This is 4 centimeter. Now, so TR length ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲೇಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 75 ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. Now TR is 3.5 centimeter. Take 3.5 centimeter radius. R ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ನ R ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಂಪಾಸಸ್ ನ R ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ R ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, children. So now join these two. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So now you can join both the points. This is T, this is E. This is your required quadrilateral TRUE. Okay, children. We'll go for the next one. Exercise 4.5. You have to construct square, children. Square, READ. RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. You know square is nothing but all the sides are equal, right? So READ. So all the sides are equal, 5.1, 5.1, 5.1 and 5.1. Now draw a line segment. RE is 5.1 centimeter. Now children, in previous sum in rectangular ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? We construct 90 degree, right? No, 90 degree construct ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So in the same, similarly, you have to construct 90 degree in square also. Okay. Now I'm going to construct 90 degree at the point R and E. 60, 120, this is your 90, right? This is 90 and here also you are constructing 90 degree, children. So 90 degree construct ಮಾಡಿ. Next. So 5.1 alva. Place take 5.1 radius, place at the point R and ನೀವು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 5.1 ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. 5.1 ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಅದೇ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ. ನೌ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. Okay, children. So this is your required square READ. We'll go for the next one. So rhombus draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then they have given diagonals. So already I have taught you how to draw a rhombus when diagonals are given. 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Okay, children, I think already I have showed you this. Okay, we'll see once again. So call it as A, B, C, D, and this is 5.2 centimeter and this is 6.4 centimeter. What I have to do first? Draw a line segment, that is AC, and now you have to draw the perpendicular line to the line AC, right? Now AC ge perpendicular draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So with the help of compasses, take more than half of the line AC. Draw the arcs up and down. With C as center, cut the two arcs, children. So ನಿಮಗೆ mid point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ draw ಮಾಡಿ. So this is what your perpendicular. Okay. So I can't do properly here, children. You use compasses and scale. Yes. Okay. This is your dB. This is 5.2 centimeter. And BD is 6.4. So nimge already helidini if you call it as O. So OD is half of 6.4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು OB 6.4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 6/4/2. So 2 3s are 2 2s are, right? So here with O as center, take 3.2 radius, children, in your compasses. With O as center, cut the perpendicular. Okay, so illi cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ and down cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ and now join these two. Okay, this is your required rhombus. Next is third one, children. I think you will practice at home. You have to construct rectangle. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ rectangle ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ 5 centimeter 4 centimeter. Okay, construct 90 degree and cut the arcs, children. Next I'll do the last one, parallelogram OKAY. OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So here, children, parallelogram is nothing but all the sides, opposite angles and opposite sides are equal and parallel. OK AY, right? So OK is 5.5 centimeter, KA is 4.2, this is 5.5 and this is 4.2. First draw a line segment OK, that is 5.5 centimeter. Line segment draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರೋ ತರ, for example 60 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ or 120, whatever, children. I will draw 120 here. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, because adjacent angles will be, the sum of adjacent angles will be 180 degree, right? No, so here I'm going to construct 120 degree and draw a line here. Okay, now this is, we know the length of AK, that is 4.2 centimeter. With the help of compasses, cut the line, children. This is 4.2 centimeter. Call it as A. And now at the point A, place the compass at the point A, take 5.5 centimeter radius, draw an arc. Okay, this is 5.5 centimeter. And y is 4 centimeter. Take 4.2 centimeter radius with O as center. With O as center, cut the arc, children. Okay, so Like this, you will get neatly. This is your required parallelogram. OKAY. Once again, I'll show you all children. Say 60, 105, all of you practice all these angles, children. So you construct for 90° for both rectangle and square, children. So for parallelogram, you have to take a ray at the point K at convenient angle and draw a ray at the point O parallel to ray at K. A and Y are 4.2, A and Y. 4.2 centimeter away from the vertex KO. Yes, take 4.5 centimeter and cut it. And OAY is 5.5 centimeter. OY is 4.52 centimeter. This is your required parallelogram. Okay, children, hope you all understood how to construct different types of quadrilaterals, right? Or square, rhombus, square, and other quadrilaterals, right? Okay, keep practicing. And you should know how to construct the angles without using protractor. Keep practicing. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Thank you.